Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I will show you how to block out cells on your spreadsheet on Microsoft Office Excel. So the first thing that you have to do is to open your Microsoft Excel spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. So now I want to block cells or to protect them. So I need to go to somewhere where I can edit the cells protection. So I'm going to the cells formatting. To do so, I'm just clicking on, I'm right click on the cell that you want to protect and then go to format cell. And here you will find these sections or menus, and we will go to protection. And here you will need to have them locked. And as you can see, our hidden formulas has no effect until you protect the worksheet. So I'm going having protected protection, and you can go to this formatting cell window by just clicking on this expanding button here in the home tab. So I'm going to click and I will have the same pop-up window, and you can go to protection and do the stuff. Also, you can just click on the type or the format type place or section and go to the more format number. Now we have selected, or we did activate the protection feature on the cells. Now we want to apply it. To apply it, we want to protect the whole sheet. So I'm going to right click on my sheet and I'm going to click on protect sheet. Also, you can add a password. For example, I'm going to add password, and here you will protect the sheets from the select locked cell. So those are the cells that we have locked, and they will be now blocked. Now I'm going to re-enter the password, and as you can see, whenever I want to modify something, I won't be able to. Now, if you want to have, let's unprotect the sheet again, and we will do some modification, and we will let only the cells that's not protected. So we will go to protection and remove the hide button, the locked check button, and click OK. We protect our sheets again with the same password like this. And as you can see, I can't modify these ones, but I still can modify this one because I removed the block from them. So basically, this is how we do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.